Hey guys, welcome to our part 2, coloring our outline. We changed the layer name to line art and flats respectively. With our best friend the pen tool, we repeat the tap and drag process. We create a curve below our line art, making sure the stroke is turned off so we are just making a fill curve. I like to make different curves on separate layers so we can edit these objects individually. Let's provide colors to the ears, nose, eyebrows, eyes, and any other elements on our illustration. I like to make his eyes blue with gradients, but take note, we make our illustration as simple as possible. Just in case a client would require an AI file, we can export our work as EPS or SVG that can be editable on the other vector application. If our vector design has too much clippings or it is very complex, it won't be read on other softwares as vector, hence it will be converted as bitmap, so be careful. We also take note of our character's form. Notice the shadow under the nose and on his teeth cast by his upper lip, gradients on the ears, and more shading. As for personal preference, shadows must have a similar hue to our main color but darker. Don't just use low opacity black or gray colors. If otherwise we're not required to submit an editable EPS or SVG file, then we can just do complex designs as we please. But I like my vector art to be simple. With this simplicity, our design is more wholesome, cute, and adorable, right? Or just me? Well, anyways, let's continue shading. Notice to where our light source is, it follows the glare of its eyes. That's the reason why we made that first before we started to add shades. Shadows under the snout and lip edge on the cheek. And now the highlights. On the nose, lights on his ear surface, on his cheek fur and horns. Lastly, we change the color of our line art, and that's it. If this video helped you out in any way, please click the thumbs up and consider subscribing. Hope to see you guys in the next video.